In this video, you're going to learn the difference between taglines and slogans, and specifically why, when, and how to use them in different strategic environments. Now, although branding and marketing are two very different things, they are used interchangeably at times, and the reason for this is simply they share the same overarching goal, and that is to attract and nurture new clients and customers to ultimately grow your business and grow the reputation of your brand. But make no mistake about it, branding and marketing are two very different beasts. They each have their own specific goals, their own specific tasks, and also their own specific tools that can be used to help get the job done. Slogans and taglines are a perfect example of this, and it's really important that you understand the difference between branding and marketing, and then understand the specific tools used for each so that you can go out into the world of business and use them effectively. So let's start with the tagline. Have a look at the definition and the role the tagline plays. The definition of a tagline is a memorable formation of a concise set of words which capture the unique value a brand offers its audience. So what your tagline is doing is simply helping your audience understand the difference that your brand makes in the marketplace, what value you bring to the table, and what your big idea is that you want associated with your brand. Essentially, your tagline is therefore just helping solidify your position in your market. So now we know what a tagline is. How is a slogan different? So a slogan can be defined as a memorable and catchy phrase which captures the overarching theme and value of a marketing campaign. So the key difference is essentially the association. So the tagline supports the overall goals of the brand, where the slogan supports the overall goals of the marketing department and specific marketing campaigns. So the job of the slogan is to communicate key differences of the marketing campaign, which could include anything from features and to benefits to key differences that are specific to that particular brand. Essentially, the slogan helps the audience remember the key idea in a specific marketing campaign, and this campaign obviously supports the overall branding message, aka the tagline. So to summarize, the fundamental difference between a tagline and a slogan is that the tagline supports the brand's activities, whereas the slogan supports the marketing activities. The tagline is developed as a means to communicate the difference that the brand is going to make in the marketplace, whereas the slogan is developed as a means to communicate the difference and the idea of a specific marketing campaign. And that can be connected to the overarching message of the brand, but they should not be confused with each other. Another key difference between the two is that the lifespan of a tagline should last multiple years because the underlying branding message shouldn't change at all. This is very different to the slogan, which can generally change every campaign because different campaigns focus on different points of difference and different values. So this allows the brand to test out different marketing approaches, to test different messaging approaches to its specific audience. Often really successful marketing campaigns and really successful slogans can be promoted to become taglines, and here are a couple of examples of that. Nike's Just Do It campaign in 1985 was an absolutely ginormous hit, and that is essentially why Nike promoted that slogan to their tagline, because it helped embody everything that the brand was about as their overarching message. Apple is another fantastic example of this, with their slogan Think Different in 1997. The slogan was a huge success, and therefore Apple adopted it as their tagline to use, and it's still used to this very day. McDonald's, another huge brand, adopted the slogan I'm Loving It in 2003 for an incredible campaign with Justin Timberlake, and that is still being used to this very day as their tagline because it just embodies everything that McDonald's is about. Each one of these iconic taglines started off as a slogan and then was later promoted to a tagline on the back of a huge success within that campaign. So this simply clarifies why brands use taglines to define their market position in the mind of their audience. If you want to learn how to build an effective brand position for your company, then you can actually click the card above and we have a video on that which can guide you through the entire process. Slogans are used to advance and evolve the brand in regards to their messaging and also helps them come to the market with different angles of reference. Slogans can help a brand evolve and advance. They simply help us to test the market and also just find out what works with our target audience. Taglines can also evolve as the brand grows and matures, as the company essentially begins to realize, what their actual position is in the world, what their purpose is, and why they exist beyond just financial gain. So the tagline and the slogan are two very distinct tools used in very distinct tasks in very distinct ways within branding and marketing. If you have any questions in regards to slogans and taglines, pop them in the comments below. I will try to get back to you every single comment. And also, if you kind of want to share your slogan or tagline for your company or your personal brand, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to give you a little bit of feedback. If you're interested in actually building a brand from scratch and actually learning the step-by-step process of building a powerful and iconic strategic brand, click the link in the description below and you can find out more about our brand acceleration program, which is literally helping so many entrepreneurs around the world build brands that they are so proud of. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, because we have got so much incredible content coming for you on the Branded channel. Until next time guys, I'll see you soon.